This 5-minute solution will show you how to stream Crunchyroll on Discord. So if you want to stream your Crunchyroll on your Discord server, follow these quick steps. First of all, open your browser and you have to disable browser hardware acceleration. So click on this three dot and settings and search your hardware, and here you will get the hardware acceleration. Make sure it's disabled, and then open your Crunchyroll and start to play something here. Then go to your Discord server, join a voice channel, share your screen, select the Crunchyroll tab, and if you want to share your Crunchyroll audio also, then make sure to check this option, share tab audio, and then click on share, and your Crunchyroll will start to stream on your Discord. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe. 5-minute solution. See you in the next video.